Welcome to the Orca Park model tiny home. So a park model is typically a larger size tiny home from the usual smaller RV type tiny homes. Park models come on wheels and can be lived in year-round. The ones we build have the capacity to go to -30 degrees. So that's pretty harsh winter. In the summer, you have AC, you have a fan. So if you wanted to, yes, you could totally live in a park model all year round. This particular model has a length of 44 feet, which is pretty big. The width is 12 feet and the height is 13.6 feet. Some of the features that set it apart from other tiny homes. We have one main bedroom and a guest bedroom, and there's no loft, so we can have high ceilings. We also have a dining area and a laundry room, and then we have a lot of space to store things in this tiny home. I'm Farai from Mint Tiny House, and today we're doing a walkthrough of our Orca Edition park model in Delta, BC. So, I'm in the kitchen already, so let's talk a little bit about that. We have a lot of cupboards, and this is probably one of the biggest things that people love about the Orca Edition. There's so much room. It's bigger, it's badder, it is fantastic. We even have enough room in here to have a full-sized dishwasher. If you're like me, this is fantastic to have in a house. We also have butcher block veneer countertops and a single apron sink to maximize just how much you can do in the sink. It also comes with a matte black finished faucet. We also have double glazed windows in these units for the cold weather. So when it's cold, it keeps in the heat. And then as we go around the kitchen here, we have a propane oven. It's not exactly full size, but it's big enough for you to bake and make food in it. And with the propane stovetop, you can do a lot cooking here. It also comes with the over-the-range microwave that has a fan right underneath it. And then extra storage at the top, extra storage at the bottom. The Orca just has room all over the place. So that is one of the perks of this unit, that you have a lot of room to put food, to put utensils. And then over here, we've got a full-size double fridge. Now, this is probably my favorite part because this just speaks to me right here. I can put pretty much anything that I would have at home. And more cupboard space. This is the dining area, which really ties in the kitchen. And there's ample room. 4 people can sit here and have a meal comfortably. Perfect place for family, friends to share a meal. Right next to the kitchen is the lounge area. This is a place where you can host people to hang out and chill. It comes with a fireplace, and you can fit a 65-inch TV on the wall. That's just how much room is in here. A cool feature is just the high ceilings. It's airy. There's enough room for tall people to walk around freely, and it just makes it feel bigger. This unit in particular comes with a dual zone split cooling system for heat and for cooling. These beautiful big windows at the top of the unit bring more light into the house, which makes it a beautiful place to hang out. The interior walls are made with vertical wooden panels. The ceilings are made with horizontal wooden panels, which comes together well. Another awesome feature is the French doors, and they open up to the deck. This is the guest bedroom, And like the main bedroom on the other side of the park model, this sleeps too. You can fit up to a queen-sized bed in this bedroom. You have ample storage space for clothing to hang and to fold. It also comes with a desk that is beautiful, where you can work, put your computer, throw your laptop on here. When it comes to heating, all the bedrooms and the entire unit has baseboards, electric baseboards that pump heat into the house. So if you are in the winter, for example, here in Canada, we have cold winters. So that is very helpful for a comfortable good night's sleep. The insulation is spray foam in the walls, in the floors, and in the ceiling. So you can live in one of these park models year round. Another cool feature that we have in the park model is the laundry space that we have in it. So we have our washer and dryer and full-size space to handle all your laundry. You can even do your ironing. But the coolest thing that I would mention about this is all the extra cabinetry that you have in here. There is just so much storage. You don't have to compromise. There's enough room for you to do everything in here. And it's right next to the bathroom. Follow me. We have the beautiful basin sink and a conventional flush toilet. We have a full shower. The matte black finish works well with the accents from the tiles in the shower. I'm a pretty big dude and I fit in here, which is great. Can even sing and dance, all right? Some people usually put a mirror right here. You can hang a mirror for your vanity lights, and you've got lights at the top too. The park model comes with 50 amp for electricity, a garden hose connection for fresh water, a 3-inch PVC connector for septic, and hookups for propane. And now to the main bedroom. This is the main bedroom. Enough room to fit a king-size bed in a tiny house. And it comes with a TV and lots of storage space for clothes. Lots of room, both sides. There's even more storage under the bed. A cool feature of these park models is the fact that you can have a door that goes straight to the deck right from your bedroom, which is pretty fantastic. Because of the sheer size of the park model, it is 12 feet across. It's gonna need a pretty large truck to transport it. It weighs about 27,000 pounds. So you're gonna need a truck that's got the torque to pull that. And you're gonna need a pilot truck on the front because it's an oversized load. As they're delivered, they come on wheels, like how an RV or tiny home is usually sitting on. You can build a deck around that, but foundation-wise, there's the wheels. And then there's gravel and concrete pads that you can have on them. You can park models pretty much anywhere where you can get the hookups for them. So a piece of land somewhere, but the most popular places that we've seen them is in tiny home communities, because you basically bring it up, park it, and you plan to stay there for a while and not need to move it. And have a deck on it, trick it out, put extra things that you want to put on it and make it your own. I'm not gonna lie to you, park models are gonna be more expensive. Just the amount of material used to build a park model compared to just a normal tiny home is a vast difference. The larger footprint, this particular model is 528 square feet. That's a lot more material than something that's 300 square feet. So it's gonna be more expensive just even from the building aspect of it. And then the cost of delivering it is also filtered in there. So those are some things to kind of bear in mind when you're going park model route. But once it's in place, you've got a pretty beautiful home. This particular model, this park model, costs 231,000 Canadian dollars. I think the greatest disadvantage would be just the movability of it. The advantage, though, is that you have tons of space in the house. It really mimics what you would experience in a normal-sized house, but on wheels, which is fantastic. So it's very popular for those people that are downsizing, for those people that are really trying to live in a smaller footprint, sustainable living type stuff, or they just love tiny homes. You don't sacrifice the feeling of being in a normal house.
Subscribe to Exploring Alternatives and please share this video if you liked it. You can also follow Mint Tiny House on their website and on Instagram. Thanks for watching.